So today is my dynamic effort day on the overhead press, where I do like sub-maximal weights, triples, and I just move the bar as fast as I can. So I did 50 kilos last week. I've gone up to 52.5 kilos today for 10 triples. And that's just exploding the bar up as fast as I can, lowering it as normal, and then each rep, like I said, just really pressing as hard and fast as I can. Started with deadlifts, just very minimal session on the deadlifts. Just worked up to a single at 180. I have a day off work tomorrow, so I am hoping to really put a good session in, push it a bit harder. So it would have been counterproductive really to try and hammer that today, and then tomorrow I would have, on an ideal day for training, I would have not had the best performance. So I always start these dynamic efforts with a single, a higher percentage, just to potentiate them. So I did a single at 70 kilos, and then like I said, 10 triples. Around a minute's rest between each set. Wasn't really counting, just roughly about a minute. And I'm, as you can see, I'm just trying to power it up as fast as I can. I watched an interesting clip, like a starting strength guide to the press yesterday, in fact, and he was teaching the press that when you initiate the press, you drive your hips forward. And driving the hips forward does build some momentum for the press. I can't remember exactly how they explained it. It kind of shortens the press or something. I didn't really listen, if I'm being honest. I just found it, I'd never heard of that before, pushing your hips forward before you initiate the press. And I'd kind of tried it in the warm-up sets, but it just felt a bit strange doing that, so I'm just going to carry on pressing as I am. So I've got like 2 weeks left on this mini program. Hoping for, well, I'm aiming for a 5x5 at 72.5 kilos towards the end of this week. Next week's going to be 10 singles at 82.5, hopefully, if I can get it. Going to move the dynamic efforts up to 55, and a 5x5 at 75 next week, if all goes to plan.